Hello friends, in this series which we had conducted, that is the Vishnu Smriti and current laws, you can find that the Vishnu Smriti has dealt exhaustively with three main aspects. One is documents, another is witness, third is financial transactions. In case of property, it has not dealt exhaustively. There are also the divine ordeals which are being written in Vishnu Smriti. But since we have already covered as to the divine ordeals in our video of Yagnevalka Smriti, I did not intended to repeat that once again in Vishnu Smriti, because all those divine ordeals like by water, by poison, by fire, all are identically said in all Smritis. So since it was covered in Yagnevalka, I have not covered it here. So friends, once again when we see the Vishnu Smriti, it really makes us or compels us to think that the provisions which are being used today, like thumb impression, perjury, false witnesses, all these handwriting experts, all this already prevailed, already was in existence in our ancient times. So our ancient law can also be considered as proper, as correct, or rather as important as we have today. So somewhere it once again leads to a conclusion that the roots and origins of our present law lie somewhere in our ancient laws which prevailed at that point of time. Friends, I sincerely feel that you would have enjoyed this series of Vishnu Smriti and current law. So thank you very much for watching the same. Thank you.